Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Harriet Anabo, your girl from Arua, and guess what guys, today we are going to be showing you the process of how to make the local alcohol here. Is it the nguli? Yeah, we call it nguli right here. So you're going to be seeing the whole process. I'm still with Tom right there, and my brother Toto is right there. So let's take you along and show you how the process is done with my sister here. Yeah, so she's right there. Maybe she can say hello to you people. How are you? Okay, so let's show you how they do it, guys. So this is the first process, eh? Okay, this is how it looks like. You said you mix cassava and what? Cassava flour?
Yeast.
Yeast, eh?
Yeah.
Oh.
That yeast is called, in our language, it is called a kufi.
A kufi. Okay, so this is the
that
yeast.
Yeast is made by maize.
Maize. You get maize, you dry it.
Then you put it on water. Now it is started to germinate. Then after that, we make it like this.
Okay. Wow. Guys, look at that. Okay, so this is the first process before you take it there on fire. Before she takes it there. This is what you have to do. Wow. I'm learning everything new. So guys, before preparing our local alcohol, which we can call waragi or ngoli, this is what you have to first do, and this is what she was doing right here, is first cleaning the saucepan thoroughly before you put in the yeast. So guys, the yeast comes from maize and cassava, as you'll be seeing it in the video. But please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, and if you haven't liked the video, kindly like the video and let me know what you think of this video. And don't forget to leave a sweet comment for your girl, and kindly let me know where you're watching me from. Enjoy the video. This is a mixture of cassava
with the
maize. So guys, this is the process on how to cook it. I'm going to show you how they prepare it. So you first remove those residues that she's removing right there. So guys, the next thing, you put your pot after putting the clean saucepan, the way she's doing it right there. So the reason why we put this pot here, and the reason why you have a hole, is because we want the other vapor to come and hit the pot, this pot right here. Yeah, that's the reason why we do it like that. So this is the whole process on how to prepare the local nguli here in my village. So the next thing, you put your saucepan with water right there, like that. Does she have to measure the water? That let's say the water has to reach like on top here or anywhere. You can, she's going to make it full? Oh, okay. So guys, the reason why she uses this soy right here that she's going to mix with water is because she doesn't want the vapor to get out while cooking the local alcohol here. Yeah, so watch the video and please don't forget to like. And then she will mix it like that. Look at that, look at that. Wow. So the next thing is putting it on the saucepans like that. Yeah. Guys, just like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'm here to bring you amazing content, unique stuff. I'm here to bring you unique stuff, guys, for sure. Hey, I'm loving this. Wow. Look at that. So now we are sealing the saucepans. So the downer saucepan is finished. That is how we have sealed it. And then now this is the upper one right here. You do the same process up to the end.
This is the last water. This is pouring here.
Okay.
So the water, they continue to pour this water 4 times. After that, the process of it, that
Nguli. Okay.
is going to be ready.
Oh. So how many times does she pour this water here?
This is the price there. This is the last one.
This is the last one, eh? The 4th part. Oh. So this is how the whole process goes, eh?
Yeah.
So what's the use of the small pot?
It keeps the real alcohol.
The real alcohol.
Oh. Okay.
So this heat, it becomes aqua. Now right in here, the water is, if the water is hot, the vapor of that down thing, down mixed.
The cassava.
Yeah. So the vapor comes up here and then started to flow down.
So the firewood is the fastest mean, to cook it. Okay. So guys, after changing the water 4 times, she now went ahead and removed the water because now the local nguli or the local alcohol was now ready to be served, as you'll be seeing in the video, and that is how you do it. So after removing the water, she went ahead and removed the small pot that is going to carry the local alcohol, as you'll be seeing it. And this residue right here that is in the saucepan inside there, the mixture that is the yeast, that one is no longer needed. Yeah, so she's going to be pouring it, as you'll be seeing it in the video. She cannot use it again.
Yeah.
Why?
Because that one is already here. So that one cannot work again.
It is tasteless. Yeah. Oh.
You have to make this one.
Wow. Okay. Wow. So guys, after getting the local alcohol, you get this the residue. Okay, let me take it as residue or waste. So she's going to pour it. She's not going to use it again, because they told me when you use it again, the alcohol won't taste good. That's what she's doing there. So that's the waste. And right there. So you do this up to the end, after when you finish the whole residue, and then you start the process again to make the mongudi. That's how the process goes up to the end, guys. So keep on subscribing, like the video, and don't forget to leave a sweet comment. So guys, my brother was telling me this residue right here, it can work as after, if you, in case you don't want to pour it, it can work as. It can work as what, Toto?
There in the house.
Yeah.
Soil.
Oh, okay. So it can smear the. You can mix it with soil.
Yes.
And then you smear the house, like our huts. Okay. It can also work as manure in the garden. Then it's also
Food for pigs.
It's food for pigs. Wow. Okay. So after you wash your, is this a full saucepan, like two? She mixed 2 saucepans, eh? Yeah. So the reason why it's dark down there, guys, it's because of the smoke from the fire. But inside it is so clean. Yeah, so she's trying to wash it right there. So this is how we wash it. So guys, I think that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I think I'll see you in the next one. But please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and let me know what you think of this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.